Sir, in this lockdown period, I have personally attended almost a century of webinars. And let me tell you, I am sincerely feeling a little webinar fatigue.
मतलब वेब बीमार हो गए हो?
जी हाँ, webinar.
See, I think this is a story with most people. Even I don't count the number of webinars I've been attending. And every day in my mailbox, more and more invites come, and I don't know which one to attend and which one not to attend. So I do a lot of choosing and go by priorities. But in the beginning, we were doing any number of webinars. So you have to find out which are the webinars that are actually going to give you value and which are the ones that are absolutely relevant to your work. If you don't do that, you will end up becoming webinar.
So let me ask you one question. Why should someone attend the webinar that we are talking about, the masterclass that we are talking about?
It is very simple. See, one has to evaluate what are you going to get. So in our webinar, what or in our masterclass, what you're getting is not a download of information.
Hmm.
The program is not information based, it is implementation based. We make people do it.
Hmm.
Action hota hai हमारे webinar में. And the
Right.
other thing is, when I'm talking about Hive, which is high impact virtual engagement, it is not like a webinar that 1 घंटा आप खाली सुन रहे हैं और आपका interaction क्या है? Even as when I'm conducting a webinar, if I'm doing it on webinars, Jam or any other platform like this, I don't see anyone.
Hmm.
And I'm used to, in my real life, I'm used to seeing people. I'm used to a vibration from the audience. But when we do it on Zoom and we use the videos, we make people smile at us. We interact with them. There is total participation. और जो participation के बाद वो breakout room में जाके interactions करते हैं, that makes things so different. And absolutely, it's a different learner's experience.
I
That is why
remember,
they'll come to.
sir, last masterclass that we did, possibly it was DTB 12, which was 12 masterclass in the row, 12th masterclass in the row. And I was counting the number of observational tools that you have took us through in the entire masterclass, and it came to almost 9 or 10 of them that you were
Well, I
experimenting
didn't
and
know you were
showcasing.
counting.
I was counting that, and 9 to 10 different tools in one single webinar, apart from the platform where we actually did the webinar, which was on Zoom. Apart from that, there were 8 to 9 different platforms or external tools that you shared, and the experience that you gave to the entire audience in terms of the Hive, which is high impact virtual engagement, was tremendous.
Jogesh, when Vijay Gautam, he told me there's something called menti.com.
Yeah.
And I had never heard about it. And then, so when I tried it, it was like magic. People said, oh my God, we didn't imagine such a thing happening. And thereafter, every time I ask people, how many of you been on menti.com, the number is increasing.
Mm.
Now we don't get as many surprises as we got in the beginning. So
Yeah.
we have to keep evolving. Our programs have been evolving. Every one of the DTBs has been a shade better than the previous one. So the 13th one, which we do on Sunday, Jogesh, you will see it is different. It is absolutely different because you will find at least 3 more tools coming up and even you haven't seen them.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I came with Mural and people had their sticky notes coming up in their breakout rooms, somebody's writing on pink sticky notes and somebody's writing on blue ones. We didn't go to the whiteboard of the Zoom. We went to discuss the uh, entire debriefing or the facilitation on Mural itself.
True.
Or now we are coming out with the Iowa. I'm still not ready because I'm studying. It's going to take me another week to learn that. And then I'm going to introduce AOA.
Mm.
Or you're doing Mero.com.
Mm,
You're doing different things. So we are going as per the evolving technology. And Jogesh, you'll be surprised after just some time. My equipment has already been ordered. You will see we'll go to virtual reality also.
mm.
So that is a way we are evolving, and that is why people need to attend our webinars.
Absolutely. Guys, if you're listening to this masterclass or this video right now, let me share with you that the whole objective and intention of bringing this program together is to really look at if someone is getting started with his digital journey or her digital journey and wanting to work on two objectives, two clear objectives. One, to make their masterclasses, online training, online session, if you're in the knowledge community and you want to create an impact and create more virtual engagement and make it as close as reality. And second objective is if you are someone who is looking to get started but you don't know how to get started, there's so much of information overload and you really not clear about how should you get started, join this masterclass because here Brigade is going to talk about Hive as high impact virtual engagement. And I'm going to really talk about the 4D framework for digital training business, which will help you to get started and will share some of the secrets which helped me to get started a year back. And now it is to a next level, of course. But join in, and we are going to share with you two important bonuses if you register right now. Bonus number one is, so would you like to talk about?
Yeah. So before that, I want to say that I have been into this training industry after leaving the army for about 15 years now. And I've done many courses where I've learned how to sell on the stage. And I've done my open programs like TTST, which are similar. Now we have gone online. But I didn't know how to sell online. I didn't know how to, do the digital marketing that you are teaching us. And really speaking, Jogesh, after you have, we have created this program together. This association has been redone after 4 years. My own digital journey has become far evolved than in what it was.
Yeah.
So that is something which is, I think, most people, not two programs have passed out, and we know how energized they are, how enlightened they are, and the type of feedback you give, that is giving me so much of excitement. So that is something which we are talking about. When you come to the bonuses, yes, there are two bonuses. Number one bonus is for Hive. We'll give you 11 tools in an ebook, 11 tools that you need to learn to make your online training effective, impactful, and interesting.
Wow.
The second one is, of course, Jogesh's book, and why don't you talk about it yourself? The Rule of
Sure.
33.
So the rule of 33% is the rule which I got to know and learn from Dr. Atreya. Now, let me tell you a little about Dr. Atreya. He's uh, written more than 30 books, founder of various management associations across India, and trainer since 1950s, one of the first few trainer India had. And I had an opportunity to interact with him, and he really gave his wisdom in 2016 while I was starting my journey along with Brigadier Sir. He was also one who shared a lot of wisdom from his experience, and based on that, I've designed a small mini book which we will be sharing, and it's very profound principle which you can apply in any facet of your life. So these two bonuses plus 3 hours of masterclass, register right now. We look forward to see you in the masterclass. See you there.
Thank you.